Hello learners, welcome back to your educational channel Learn and Educate. Let us continue with our Civil Procedure Code 1908. In the previous video, we have learned about section 87A and section 87B. Now section 88. Section 88 where interpleader-suits may be instituted. This section tells about when two or more persons claim from another person the same debt, whether in terms of a sum of money or the property, whether movable or immovable from another person, and such another person does not have any interest on the properties or the sum of money except for the charges or the cost which he has incurred, and that another person who is ready to pay or deliver it to the rightful claimant to then such other person may institute a suit for the interpreter against all the claimants for the purpose of a decision as who is the right person to claim the money, who is the right person to claim the delivery and of the property, and after obtaining the charges or the interest, after obtaining the charges or the cost which the other person has incurred, he shall give the position of their property to the right person. And then let us understand what the section says. When two or more person claims adversely to one another the same debt, the sum of money, or the other property, movable or immovable, from another person, where such another person who claims no interest, who has no interest on the property or the money other than the charges or cost which has incurred, and that person is ready to pay or deliver it to the rightful claimant, such other person may institute a suit of interpreter against all the claimants for the purpose of obtaining a decision as to the persons to whom the payment of or delivery shall be made, and for obtaining after obtaining the indemnity for himself, provided that where such suit is pending in which the right of the parties can properly be decided, no such suits of interpreter shall be filed. What is the analysis of section 88? Is that when two or more person, example we will name it as E and F, when two person E and F are the parties who claim a sum of money or other movable immovable properties that is same date from another person, that another person we will term it as A. When E and Y claims same date, that is the same amount of money or the property from another person who A, that is another person, does not have any interest except for the charges incurred by that person and is ready to deliver the said money or the property, then such another person, that is A, can file a suit of interpreter against all the claimants. A can file a suit against E and Y of interpleader against all the claimants to obtain a decision who is a right person and for obtaining the indemnity for himself. Indemnity for himself means the person A will recover the charges which he has incurred or the cost which he has incurred while filing the institution of the suits or any other cause, to so as he can deliver the property, the money or the property to the right claimant. This was section 88, interpreter.